Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota 86. The Toyota 86 provides an explosive driving experience. The power and suspension will remind you that you're behind the wheel of a true sports car. Not only does the exterior supply a bold look, but the interior will remind you that you're sitting in a premium vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.